little sad when निशांत took my name. करण का मुझे नहीं समझ में आया. मैं तो बाहर निकल के देख रही हूँ कि करण मेरे पीठ बैक बिचिंग किया करते थे. तेजस्वी इज मोर ऑफ अ फॉलोअर. वो जिनको जहाँ फायदा दिखती है वहीं चली जाती हैं.
Hello Donald, welcome to Urbanation once again. So we were very shocked. You got evicted so soon. You were not expecting that. Also, you were trending outside, and people want you back inside the house. So, Donald, how does it feel to get so much love in your short journey in Bigg Boss?
Yeah, I feel so much overwhelmed with so much of love people are showering on me. I was just thinking that I didn't do anything extra to gain that much of love. I was just being myself, and people have accepted me as I am. And I think I've won Bigg Boss 15. The trophy is not that big as much, the world's love I'm getting is bigger than that, I think. So thank you so much everyone for accepting me, for understanding me, what Donald Bish is, how she is, and make me win in your hearts.
Also, we would like to know what was going on in your mind when one by one everyone started taking your name and they started nominating you.
I was smiling and tears in my eyes that इतना अच्छा करने के बाद भी आप मेरे साथ बुरा ही कर रहे हो. कैसे कर सकता है कोई? कैसे कर सकता है? और they said कि मैंने कनेक्शन नहीं बनाया. मैंने, आप सबने देखा होगा, मैं 200% कोशिश की कि चलो अगर इनको लगता है तो मैं और कोशिश करती हूँ, पूरी कोशिश करती हूँ. जी जान लगा दी हर चीज के लिए, हर टास्क के लिए, मैप बनाने के लिए. बट फिर भी इट वाज ऑलवेज अदर वे अराउंड. ऐसा नहीं था कि मैंने कोशिश नहीं की, उन लोगों ने मुझे समझना ही नहीं चाहा. ऐसा नहीं कि उन्होंने समझने की कोशिश नहीं की, पर समझना नहीं चाहते थे. और पर दुनिया मुझे समझी. अगर वो 14 लोग नहीं समझना चाहते थे, नहीं समझे, मुझे नहीं फर्क पड़ता. दुनिया ने मुझे समझा, दुनिया ने मुझे इतना प्यार दिया, मेरे लिए वो बहुत मैटर करता.
Who did you trust the most in the house, and you think that person betrayed you, especially on that day of nominations?
Betrayed me. I can't say betrayed me. मुझे पता था कि सब लोग जो है वो एक मत पे ही थे. Day one से I think nobody liked me that much, and जो main people who wanted to be the leaders and all, वो लोग तो मुझे पसंद करते ही नहीं थे, because according to them I never used to follow them, and I had my own opinions. So they just those kind of leaders just want followers, so other followers could not betray them. So that is why they were with those 2, 3, 4 people, and they took my name because of that, so that they will be safer in coming days. So I don't think so. Betrayal. I just got hurt, a little sad when Nishant took my name, because he has always been nice to me. I think on back also. Nishant, Afsana, when Afsana took my name, I felt bad. Because but she told me there and then कि मैं सबसे बदला लूंगी तेरा. So that's sweet of her, I think. That's it.
Who are these leaders?
मुझे बुरा लगा था, because 2 मिनट पहले ही करण ने बोला था कि हमें पता है कि डोनाल्ड ने और विधि ने यहाँ पे क्या क्या किया है. पूरा मैप मैंने बनाया अपने हाथों से, कंधा आज भी तो. So फिर उन्होंने फिर भी मेरा नाम लिया. इतना बोलने के बाद भी that was, I think, not right. ले सकते थे ना किसी और का नाम, उनको पता है कि मैंने इतना काम किया है. But his wish. What do I do?
Who are these leaders you're talking about? What are the names?
Leaders. Want to be leaders. लीडर्स ऐसे नहीं होते हैं. लीडर्स आर दोस्त जो पूरे सबको अपने साथ लेके चलते हैं, किसी को डरा के अपने साथ में नहीं रखते हैं. ऐसा मुझे लगता है. जो लीडर्स बनना चाहते हैं वो आई थिंक विशाल हैं, करण भी है, तेजस्वी भी है, बट तेजस्वी इज मोर ऑफ अ फॉलोअर, वो जिनको जहाँ फायदा दिखती है वहीं चली जाती हैं. सो ऑल दीज.
So before going inside,
लोग कहते हैं कि भी जय, विशाल और तेजस्वी और करण, ये 4 लोग जो हैं सब उनके साथ रहना चाहते हैं ताकि वो लोग इन लोगों को नॉमिनेट ना कर दे. आई थिंक इट शुड नॉट बी लाइक दैट. आप में खुद में इतना कॉन्फिडेंस होना चाहिए और कि आप नॉमिनेट नहीं होंगे, को इतना प्यार दें. सो थोड़ा फॉलोइंग कम होना चाहिए मुझे लगता है. यू कैन ऑल्सो बिकम द लीडर. ये थॉट प्रोसेस होना चाहिए.
okay, so before heading inside the house, we spoke to you and you had mentioned that you would give your 100% in the task, and we did see that happening inside the house. Then why do you think the housemates were, targeting you and they thought you were weaker than other contestants?
They thought I'm stronger than other contestants, not weaker. They know that अभी हमें डोनाल्ड को निकालना पड़ेगा because she can become more stronger and stronger with coming days, and other people were already following them, so it is very easy for them to take them out from the game because I had my strong opinions. I used to always stand for right. I never used to deviate from what I was saying. These qualities they didn't like. They didn't like I was listening to their lies, or I was getting manipulated by what these guys are telling me. So those problems they had, and they thought that I'm a strong contender in front of them. That is why they wanted to remove me, and that is why I think they had a problem with me from the day one.
Who do you think should have been evicted in your and Vidhi's place that day?
Everybody who's follower. Followers are not adding anything to the platter of Big Boss, I think. So anyone can get evicted who are not giving their best. I gave my best, but I also got people from the house has evicted me. Anyone.
Which 2 names would you have taken?
Nishant, Maisha, Simba. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Asa. They are not adding anything.
So who do you call your friend inside the house now?
Afsana is a true friend. उन्होंने ये भी बोला कि मुझे निकाल दो डोनाल्ड के बजाय यार.
Right. Yes, I saw that.
ऐसा. उन्होंने बोला मैं बदला लूंगी. I'll see to that.
We saw you getting targeted inside the house. Who do you think was targeting you the most inside the house, and why?
Vishal and Tejasvi, too much every single time, and Jay also too much every time. कभी कभार जैसे थोड़ी बहुत फिर भी मेरी बात हो जाती थी when he was feeling lonely, I think in that new house, then he used to come in ours and I used to tell him that I'll shut up. So तब हमारी थोड़ी बहुत बातें हुई, but फिर भी जय ने मुझे ही नॉमिनेट किया. So these 3 करण का मुझे नहीं समझ में आया. मैं तो बाहर निकल के देख रही हूँ कि करण मेरे पीठ बैक बिचिंग किया करते थे. मेरे सामने उन्होंने ऐसे कभी नहीं बोला. कपड़ों मेरे कमर को लेकर के ये सब वो काफी बोल रहे थे. आई थिंक ही वाज मेल शोविनिस्ट. मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा जब मुझे पता चला कि वो पीछे काफी कुछ बोल रहे हैं.
Okay, so you saw other housemates' journey inside the house. Also, you got to know about your journey through Salman Khan, Farah ma'am, and also the other housemates. According to that, if you re-enter the house, what would you do differently?
Will I do differently? Now, as I know what faces these guys have, I'll tell them that don't wear a mask now. I know you clearly, but I'll be real as I was, and I will play with dignity as I was playing before.
Great. So, अंदर जोड़ियां भी बन रही है, as we can see right now. Karan और तेजस्वी का, and Akasa Prateek, and Ishan and Maisha.
Splitsvilla.
You've stayed with them.
Splitsvilla. It is Splitsvilla. It's not Big Boss anymore, I think. लोगों को यार दिख जाता है कि कौन रियल है, कौन फेक है, क्या पब्लिसिटी के लिए हो रहा है. अगर लोगों को दिखा मैं रियल हूँ तो कैमरा से कुछ छुपता नहीं है, तो उनको ये भी पता है कि कौन फेक कर रहा है और कौन क्या कर रहा है. सो आई डोंट नीड टू से एनीथिंग.
Okay. Okay, fair enough. So lastly, if you have to say something to these contestants or about their game, what would you say? First name is Maisha.
Please be real.
Karan.
Don't be that manipulative.
Afsana.
Afsana, I think I love you as a human you are, but just control on your words which you have, and you'll go far.
Vidhi.
Vidhi to she was a sidekick sort of. I don't know. Vidhi के बारे में क्या बोलूं? You guys all know I've seen.
Okay, Tejasvi.
It would be really nice if you were trustworthy and loyal.
Jay.
Jay, उनको कब आता है? I hope that he was same all the time. उनका मुझे समझ में नहीं आता, कभी कुछ इमोशन रहता है, कभी कुछ इमोशन रहता है, समझ में नहीं आता. Umar, I think be strong. You don't need anyone. Be strong.
Akasa.
She's weird.
Okay.
She's weird. I don't think she knows what she's doing or where she's going. Opportunist sort of.
Nishant.
Nishant is entertaining. I like the kind of entertainment Nishant does. He's positive.
Okay. Last name is Prateek.
Prateek, I know that you're true from just fight less and hurt yourself less.
Thank you so much for joining us, Ronald.
Thank you.
It was lovely talking to you.
Thank you so much.